Lowell briefly saw their chance at having a state title slip away as they were down 13-0 early on to the Red Wings of St. John's after undefeated freshman Taylor Massa beat then undefeated Jackson Morse 7-6 in the 152-pound match. But the tables turned as the Red Arrows won 7 of the remaining 10 matches to send Lowell to the state championship against the Oxford Wildcats. With a state title in sight, only the second-seeded Wildcats stood in the way of the Red Arrows. The match was back and forth early on as the Wildcats grabbed an 11-6 lead as Matt Frisch pinned Lowell's Gabe Morse in 1 minute and 11 seconds. But Ryan Dean wrestled a pivotal match as he had a major decision over Dakota Peasley 10-1 that lifted Lowell into a 14-11 lead. It was all Lowell from there, winning the next 7 matches of the remaining 10, lifting the Red Arrows past the Wildcats 35-20 as they grabbed their 3rd state title in 10 years. The Red Arrows finished the season with a 35-4 record.
We do have great senior leaders. Ty Jack, Timmy Gingrich, Rocky Cabone, Thomas Fleet, Ryan Dean. We've had just tremendous leadership from all those guys. They've stuck with it, and this is the reward.